We just got the White Duck Regatta 13 in, and we will be assembling and reviewing it. Here we go. The bag that it comes in seems like great material, heavy duty. It looks like it will be easy to pack up and put back in the bag, which is always a good thing. Lined well. All right, let's open this up. What do we have? Oh, this is cool. This is neat. We got our hammer, we got our stakes. Should I say mallet? Got our mallet, that's the tool kit. It already looks to be a very, very easy assembly as far as this pole goes. It's a little chain that runs through the pole connector. And I suppose that's one pole that's already assembled. Looks very nice. I really like the color of it. Nice quality. Let's get this thing open. We're gonna bring this outside, set this up on the deck. It's pretty snowy outside, but we'll get it up. We'll continue our reviews and let you know what we think.